Good morning, students. Today, in surface area and volume, I will take an example of a cube, that is a cubical block having a side 7 centimeter, and a hemisphere is surmounted on the top of the block. Now the question is that we have to find out the total surface area of the block and the hemisphere. And you see the hemisphere on the top side of the block, the side of the block will be the diameter, and when same hemisphere is on the side, then the base of this hemisphere will be the side of the top. So we will say that the total surface area of the block with hemisphere will be the surface area of the cube plus curved surface area of the hemisphere, and the base of the hemisphere is to be subtracted. Listen again. This is the hemisphere on the top of the side. When the hemisphere will be mounted on the surface, the base will be removed. So we say that the total surface area of the block with hemisphere is equal to surface area of the cube plus curved surface area of the hemisphere minus base area of the hemisphere. Now come to the formula. Surface area of the cube is 6 side square, and the CSA of the hemisphere is 2 pi r square, and the base which is to be removed, that is pi r square. Now here radius will be half of the side, that is 7 upon 2, because 7 is the diameter of the hemisphere, so radius will be 7 upon 2. So putting the value of the side and the radius, 6 side is 7, so 6 into 7 is square. Now here 2 pi r square minus pi r square, so it will be a pi r square too. That is 2 pi r square minus pi r square, only pi r square will left. So the formula is that 6 side square plus pi r square. Now side is 7, so 6 into 7 into 7, 49, plus pi is 27 into radius becomes 7 upon 2, then 7 upon 2 whole square. 6 into 49, that is 294, plus 32 upon 7 into 7 upon 2 into 7 upon 2, 7 divided out, 2 20 11, then we get 77 upon 2. So 294 plus 77 upon 2, that is 38.4, and 294 plus 38.5, that is 332.5 centimeters square. So this is the question, a typical type of the question, that when a cubical block, that is a cube, is surmounted by a hemisphere, then we have to find out the total surface area of the block plus hemisphere. It is a simple thing that hemisphere will be at the top of the side, and the diameter that will be equal to the side, then radius will be half of the side. Now the hemisphere will be on the side where base will be removed. Understand? If this is the one face of the block, a hemisphere is to be mounted on the side, it is but natural that we have to remove the base. Okay, so the formula is that 6 side square plus 2 pi r square, that is the hemisphere area, and we have to remove the base, that is pi r square. So 6r square plus 2 pi r square minus pi r square, that is equal to the pi r square. So now put the value and you will get the total surface area of the block plus hemisphere, that is 332.5 centimeters square. Okay. If you like my video, please share and subscribe. Thanks very much.